This vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, electronic stability control, security alarm, fog lamps, brake assist, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.